Blockchain enforces SOPs automatically, revolutionizing compliance and operations. Traditional SOP compliance is slow, expensive, and prone to human error, especially under growing regulatory pressure. Blockchain smart contracts automate and enforce policies in real time, eliminating manual oversight and reducing compliance risk. Automated features like AML, KYC checks, transaction limits, and data privacy controls ensure continuous adherence to standards. The result is faster, more transparent operations with reduced risk and fully auditable processes. Smart contracts encode standard operating procedures on blockchains like Ethereum, Hyperledger, or Solana, creating an immutable compliance foundation. They automatically execute actions when predefined conditions are met, such as blocking unauthorized transactions or triggering approvals, without human intervention. Integration with automation tools like Jenkins and Airflow ensures smooth workflows and audit trails regulators can trust. Leading organizations use Chainlink oracles to connect on-chain rules with off-chain data, bridging blockchain security with real-world SOP enforcement. Blockchain-driven automation shifts SOP enforcement from reactive to proactive, preventing errors and cutting costs before issues arise. It ensures global compliance by automatically adapting to evolving regulations across jurisdictions. Enhanced transparency and auditability build trust with regulators and stakeholders. Organizations can start by identifying key SOPs for automation, piloting smart contract solutions, and scaling successful implementations for enterprise-wide impact.